Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing about the comparison operator. Right. So today we'll be discussing about the comparison operator. Previously we had discussed on the type conversion, right? So today we'll be discussing about the comparison operator, right? So comparison operators, basically what it does, it compares two values and return a boolean result and return a boolean result. Either it may be true or the boolean value false, right? Again, comparison operators compare two values and return a boolean result. Either it may be true or false, right? So let's consider a very simple example before getting into the example part. So basically, comparison operators are commonly used in conditions. They are commonly used in conditions to control the program flow. To control the program flow, right? So let's see the same with a very simple example, right? So I'll just go with, let me assign the integer to variable a, and also let me assign b to, I mean 10 to this one variable b, right? So now let me go with print else b, right? So here let me do the same thing, some 5 times man. Yeah, so here I'll just go with a not equal to b, a less than b, a greater than b. So this one, a less than or equal to b, a greater than or equal to b, right? So first one here, print a equals b. So this one is false because 5 is not equal to 10. So we have assigned the integer 5, right? Assigned the integer value 5 to the variable a. 5 is not equal to 10, b to 10, right? So 5 is not equal to 10, so we have to get the output false. For the second one, let me run this one. Let me run this one and then discuss one. So just give me a second here. Let me copy this one. Let me paste it over here. .py. So for the second one, we are getting this one. For the second one, we have to get true. Yeah, we are getting the output true because a is not equal to b, right? So here 5 is not equal to 10. Yeah, we are getting the boolean value true. And for the third one, a less than b, 5 is less than 10. Yes, it is. So we are getting the boolean value true. And for the fourth one, it is a greater than b, right? So a greater than b, no, a is not greater than b, is less than b. So we are getting the boolean value false. So this is fine. The fifth one is a less than or equal to b. Yes, a is less than b. So we are getting the output boolean value true. The last one is we are getting the output false here because a, we are checking for uh, we are checking whether a is greater than or equal to b, and 5 is greater than or equal to 10. No, it is not, right? So that is the reason we are getting the boolean value false. So this is it for the comparison operator, right? So this is it for the comparison operator. So here each line checks a condition between a and b and returns the boolean result, right? That's what it is doing here. So let me summarize whatever we have learned till now. So comparison operators return boolean values and help in the condition checks like whether it may be double equals, not equal to, less than, greater than, lesser than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, right? So this is it about the this is it for the comparison operator, right? So next we will be discussing about the conditional statements. Next we will be discussing about the conditional statements. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.